The first set I bought from a used dealer that was closing down a solar farm, and so I got them for $15 a piece. It's a great deal. The second set, I ended up having 28 of them. I kind of jumped the gun a little bit. I didn't realize he really was just looking to get rid of them, and I offered some money for them. I ended up paying about $8 a piece for them, and there's 27, 28 of them, and they are very good shape too. This one is the most panels. It's 42 panels. I didn't pay a single penny for them. I got a couple of inverters that I don't know what they are yet. I got all that free cable, and I got some of those connectors for the rails, and hopefully I'll get the rails. But either way, it's a great deal, and they were free. All I had to do was take them away. So this is really the easiest way to get panels, is you basically just watch Facebook Marketplace for people who are looking to get rid of them. You can run wanted ads, and people say, go out looking for things to pick up panels to get rid of them. Or you can just watch for people looking to get rid of them and dump them. If you have a friend or someone who works in the scrapping industry, they get calls all the time to tote this stuff away. And so it'd be really good if you could just go over to one of them and say, hey, when you run into this, I'm the right guy to help you out, because what's going to happen is they'll get paid to either take that stuff away, and if you volunteer to take it for them, then they get paid for you to take it away. It's a really good deal for them. I got the second batch. The lead came from that direction as opposed to Facebook. So, but those people are hard to find. So if you already know one of them, that's the way to do it. But the easiest way really is just to go out on Facebook. Craigslist used to work. You can find some out there, but there's so much spam and congestion out there that it's hard really to use that at any extent. But what you're looking for is just someone looking to get rid of them. Just dump them off. They're either upgrading to new ones, they had to get a new roof and they want to get rid of them, or they simply are trying to sell their house and the panels are slowing them down because they're no longer functioning and they don't want to upgrade them. So they're just looking for someone to get rid of them. In some cases, they're looking for people to take them down and carry them away. So that's when it gets really tricky. If you want to pay for someone to take them down so you can take them away, taking them down yourself is a little tricky because you're gonna want insurance. They're gonna want all that kind of stuff. So that's not really gonna work out. But anyway, this is all I do to find panels. I just watch the Facebook, watch Marketplace. This is my third time, my third attempt, and my third success. The panels are out there. The solar farms are closing down and they're upgrading, and all these panels that you see here are approximately, I'm going to say, probably about 10 years old. They're all the 240, 250 watt area. They're all about the same age, the same style. So as newer panels age out, they'll start upgrading those too, and we'll start finding even better and better panels. So hopefully in the next year or two, we'll start seeing the 300 watt, the 350 watt panels in the used market. But right now, the market is wide open. Nobody wants to haul them away and take them away because they don't know what to do with them. So even if you just pick them up and sell them on the used market for $20 or $30 a piece, you can do that pretty easily on Craigslist also, which is what I'm going to end up doing with a lot of these. I'll probably sell off a couple of dozen of these. So if anyone's interested in some used panels and you're here in the Central Florida area, let me know. I'll probably have a few of them that'll be confirmed good that I'll be willing to get rid of. All right. So today we're taking a look at these new solar panels I got in. I got 42 of them. I'm just running some tests on a few of them to see what kind of output I can expect, see what kind of degradation they have. Let's see how many is there. That's 6 there. 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's another 3, 6, 7 there. That makes for 13. And then over here I have, this is 2 dozen. These were all tested as good. These are untested. These were just untested and connected today, but I think I have 1 or 2 that has some bad pieces in it. And then over here I have 2 that I have confirmed or actually 3 that I confirmed have some diodes that are bad in them, some bypass diodes. So basically you're supposed to have 30 volts in here, and if they're less than that, it looks like these are broken into 3 different pieces. And so you've got 10, 20, 30 volts. Actually, it's 11, 20, 22, 33, or 12, 24, 36, something along those lines. Either way, we've got a couple of diodes broken here, but those can be replaced. And then these here are true damaged. You can see they're all shattered, cracked up and broken, and not good at all. And that one has a burn through mark on it. So those are the ones you got to have to be really careful about, making sure that you test them. So that brings us down to 39. This brings me to 36. This is 24 that is confirmed good. And there is 13 over here I've yet to test or do anything with. So I'll have to figure it out on these. But either way, for free, you really can't complain. And then in addition to that, I got a bunch of PV wire. There's probably 8 sections here of 20 or so feet a piece. And then a whole bucket full of mounting brackets now I don't have the rails yet. I'm hoping when they take the rails off, they'll call me back and have me come pick those up too. But they were still on the roof. You saw pictures of that. So now these are a little bit different panels than the ones I've got before. So you can see the second batch I got looked like that. They got the squares, and the first batch looks like this. And so it's very similar to these. And these are 240 watts that I picked up. Now some of them have some snail trails and stuff in them, and I gotta check and make sure those are all good, but I think I have a couple in this batch here that are not good. I'm gonna have to check and test each one of them. And then these are wow, that is unlegible. Let's go see if I can get one of these other panels over here. So I know these are 240 watt. We'll grab a sticker over here and take a look. So let's see what these, the first batch are these here, which are Canadian Solar 200 and I think that's 240. Nope, 250 watt. So those are Canadian Solar 250 watt. The third batch, the second batch is those there. The third batch are here, and these are ASP 240 watt. I don't think these held up as well as this batch. This batch has always been a really good set of panels. Did a pretty decent performance. But these newer ones seem to have aged worse. And I don't know if it's location, or if it's just use, or if they've had some kind of abuse or something. They look like they have a little bit more, and I think some of these lines here are just dirt on the outside, but I don't know for sure. So I'm gonna have to figure out where the scars came from. Maybe they were scratched or something when they were taken down, or maybe it's permanent. Anyway, thanks for watching. I genuinely hope this works. If you are looking for panels and you find some and it works and you succeed, please let me know. I love hearing the success stories. You won't be the only ones. I've had 5 or 10 people write me and tell me how they've found some panels, got a good deal, and did exactly the same thing that I did. So I know the plan works. I know it is very frustrating when you want the panels and you can't find them. It feels like it takes forever. I've only found 3 sets of them in a year. I've only tried 3 times though. But it's a matter of perseverance. It's a matter of sticking to it and watching it every day and being there when they want them. Because if you want to get rid of some junk in your yard, or you've got an HOA to say, hey, get those panels out of the yard, or we're going to give you a fine, you can't wait for someone to find your ad 3 weeks later. They're going to pay someone to get rid of them that day. So you have to be that person that's ready to go and get them. Anyway, hope this helps. I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching.